Awesome, great to see you all again, guys. Just going to go straight to the literacy assignment this week. Okay, literacy assignment. Oh, I haven't changed the date on this. Probably it will be changed when you get it. Spelling, same thing. But it's really important you do the breaking down into the syllables, guys. Check them out. Make sure you've got it. It really helps you with the decoding of the actual words and like the sounds of the words. And you also need to post your test results on Friday. Not many people did that last week, so it's something you need to watch out for. Task 2, real simple. Come see me when you've got 10 minutes free. We're going to do a running record together. The reason why we're going to do that is because I actually want to hear you guys all read again out loud, which you don't do when we do other reading stuff, so this is a chance for you to read out loud. And it's cool to actually talk about a piece of reading that you've read and look at all the different things, parts of it. So that's the plan this week, some running records. And okay, task 3, work on our body paragraphs. Now, initially you were always going to have 2 weeks to finish this. It was just week 1 you were supposed to do the drafting of it, week 2 you were supposed to refine it a bit more. A lot of people had struggled week 1. It's like they've totally forgotten about the TE paragraph, topic sentence, example sentence, and explanation. So I'm going to do a little one down here, another one right here. So this will be about the 3rd or 4th time I've explained this. Please make sure that you actually are watching the videos and make sure you ask for help if you're stuck. So I'm going to do it on this. So just as if this was 100% true, so I'm going to do it on books are better than movies, and I'm going to do it on the books add more details. So this paragraph would solely be on books add more detail. You know, I might have had 3 reasons in my introduction. Each reason needs to be a paragraph. So this is the side of this. 1 reason books are way better than movies is they add more detail. Full stop. Okay, so that I've just literally stated my point, basically. Then, so that's my topic sentence. They add more, like, you know, at this level, we're trying to keep it simple. So that's the topic sentence. Now I'm going to give my example. So my example now, I've done the Harry Potter one to death. Actually, change that. I'm going to do movies, because I think I did a book example the other day. Well, no, I'll just stay with this one. Stop jumping around. So I'm going to use the Harry Potter example. Okay. Think about this. In the Harry Potter books, I did use this example. I used this exact example. I'm going to change because, sorry guys, I used this exact example the other day, which was, sorry, I don't want to do the same thing again. So I'm going to change to the other side of the argument. Movies, better than books because they are much more relaxing. So that's my topic. I'm going to talk about how they're much more relaxing. And then I'm going to write an example. It's literally just a straight up example. You're coming from a hard day of school. Reading, writing, and math stressing you out. Reading, writing, and maths is stressing you out. See, so this is my example. I'm literally just writing an example that I'm going to explain why it's important later on. You're coming home for a hard day at school. Reading, writing, and maths is stressing you out. Yes. Okay. Do you sit down in a book? Do you sit down in front of a book? No. You have spent all day in the books with books. It's time to Netflix and chill. I think I spelled Netflix wrong. Put that. And turn off your busy mind. So, literally, writing an example from life. I'm not having to, with the example sentence, I'm not having to find any information or do any research. I'm just using an example from life. So movies are way better than books because they are much more relaxing. Then that's my topic sentence. My example sentence, which actually is multiple sentences, but you come from home from a hard day at school. Reading, writing, and maths is stressing you out. Do you sit down in front of a book? Question mark. No, you've spent all day with books, with hitting the books. The books. It's time to Netflix and chill and turn off your busy mind. So that's my example sentence. Then I would go on to my explanation sentence, why that is important. More because require less brain power. They are superior for relaxing. So first I've just explained what my actual point was, and all of that was, so in my first start of my explanation sentence, because movies take far less brain power, they are far better to relax to. I'm just going to highlight my sentences so you can see that's my topic. Down to there is kind of my example, and then here finishing up is my explanation. Because movies require far less brain power, they are far superior to relax to. This is essential for modern lifestyle, as over 30%, you would research this, of children suffer from some kind of stress-related illness. I'm totally making that up. So this paragraph is where you have your facts that support your example. Sometimes your example is facts, but you really need to put some facts in there that you've actually researched somewhere. Now, to make a good, an actual decent piece of writing. Now, I've totally made mine up, but you get the different things. Is movies are better than books because they are much more relaxing. That's my topic sentence. Then I give an example from everyday life. And then I explain why that's important and explain my point of view. because movies require less brain power, they are far superior to relax to. Far superior for relaxing. This is essential in modern life as over 30% of children suffer from stress-related illnesses. Simple as that. I'm explaining why it's important and why they're far superior. Not hard. Oh well, hope you enjoyed. And just keep it simple.